In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix CIBC website not working in Chrome or Edge. Let's get started. First, check the server status of the website. So launch your preferred browser, then type in CIBC server status and search for it. Now, different website links will appear. Navigate to the legit one, just like Down Detector. If there is server outage, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end, or else you can follow other steps. Try opening the website in an incognito or private window because this temporarily disables extensions and uses a clean browsing session. If the site works there, the problem is likely caused by browser cache or an extension. Next, clear browsing cache. For that, click on three dots. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option Privacy Search and Services. Click on the option Clear Browsing Data and confirm it. Likewise, navigate to the section Extensions. Disable browser extensions such as ad blockers, antivirus web protection tools, or VPN extensions because they can interfere with secure banking website. You should also make sure your browser is fully updated to the latest version since outdated browsers can cause compatibility and security problems with online banking sites. So navigate to this section, About Edge or Chrome. Check for updates and update it. Likewise, close this, go to Settings. Navigate to the option Windows Update. Check for updates and update it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.